Good day guys, so is your melody fire but your piano sounds like a toy from 1995? We have all been there. This year there's zero excuse for a plastic piano sound. And today I'm showing you how to swap out that basic FL keys for something cinematic, soulful or lo-fi in under 2 minutes. And firstly let's look at the modern standard, Flex. So go to your channel rack, which is right here, also you can press F6, and then just right click on your piano somewhere here. Then you go replace and then find Flex. There you go, Synth Classic Flex, choose that. Alright, and then the move here is as follows. You can open up the Essential Pianos pack. And if you have a full cloud, you can hit the Cloud tab and search for the Steinway Hybrid pack. These are high fidelity, multi-sampled pianos that come free with your subscription. One click and your sound is instantly transformed. I don't want to browse, let the Gopher AI do it. So you open up this little panel, go to Gopher, and now as you can see you can use this AI assistant and also type, for example, find me a dark felt piano sound for a lo-fi beat, and Gopher will scan your local VSTs and FL Cloud to find the perfect match. And then you just drag the suggestion directly onto your piano track in the channel rack. It automatically keeps your MIDI notes but swaps the engine underneath. It's like having a sound designer on call. And your track will now have the weight and emotion it deserves. If this helped you out guys, like and subscribe.